Welcome to Indian Institute of Public Administration. You're watching Governance at Work. Because governance isn't just policy on a paper. It's the pulse of everyday life. It's about fairness, accountability, and creating real opportunities for every citizen. Every week, we bring to you the latest government schemes and initiatives, showing you how they are shaping lives, solving problems, and building the foundation of a Viksit Bharat, a developed and inclusive India. In today's episode, we spotlight a new scheme that's changing the game for women. But first, let's have a look at the headlines driving India's governance story this week. Prime Minister launches Jeevika Nidhi Saakh Sahkari Sangh Limited to empower the rural women of Bihar. IIPA conducts training program for government officers of Bihar. IIPA conducts third-party evaluation of postal operation, estate management and India Post Payment Banks. Secretary, Ministry of Women and Child Development receives an award from the Prime Minister for the groundbreaking Poshan Tracker initiative during the 17th Civil Services Day. With a view to empower the rural women of Bihar, the Prime Minister, along with its state government, launched Jeevika Nidhi Saakh Sahkari Sangh Limited last week. The Bihar Rajya Jeevika Nidhi Saakh Sahkari Sangh Limited is a digital cooperative lending platform created to serve these women, making it a natural evolution of the Jeevika mission. With this, the government has taken another step forward to empower rural women in Bihar by giving them easier, cheaper, and more dignified access to credit. So why was it launched? The goal was to empower 20 lakh rural women across Bihar with more access to credit. Women in self-help groups were trapped by microfinance institutions, charging them 18 to 24% interest. This scheme offers larger loans at much lower rates, easing their financial burden. No more paperwork, no more long queues. Loans are now just a tap away, thanks to a mobile-first system. From tailoring to agriculture, women can now expand their businesses with timely and affordable credit. The platform is owned and operated by self-help groups themselves, ensuring community ownership and accountability. As PM Modi said, empowered women are the foundation of a developed India.
बिहार का तेज विकास केंद्र की एनडीए सरकार की बहुत बड़ी प्राथमिकता है। इसलिए आज बिहार चौतरफा विकास के रास्ते पर आगे बढ़ रहा है।
This isn't a standalone initiative, it's a strategic extension of the Jeevika scheme, which was launched earlier in 2006. Earlier, Jeevika scheme, formerly known as Bihar Rural Livelihood Project, launched by the Bihar government, focused on rural livelihoods, especially empowering women through self-help groups. Today, Jeevika has grown into a network of over 1.4 crore women, known as Jeevika Didis, driving micro-enterprises and community development.
50% स्टार्टअप इस देश में ऐसे हैं जिनकी मुखिया कहीं ना कहीं महिला है। और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे दिल्ली मुंबई में है, ये 2 और 3 टियर शहरों में है, पटना और पटना से छोटे शहरों में। और ये एक बदलता हुआ दृश्य हमारे सामने आ रहा है और इन स्टार्टअप्स के माध्यम से 17 लाख से अधिक जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज उत्पन्न की जा रही हैं, वो भी सारे वुमेन लेड स्टार्टअप्स हैं।
So what makes it unique? It is self-help group owned. Women control their financial destiny. It is digital and direct. Loan goes directly straight to the banks. It's aligned with Jeevika's vision, encouraging economic empowerment, self-reliance and dignity.
सबसे पहले तो मुझे बिहार सरकार का भी अभिनंदन करना है। यहाँ के माननीय मंत्री राजीव रंजन सिंह जी हमारे बीच में थे, आदरणीय गिरिराज सिंह जी थे, श्रवण कुमार जी जिनका ये विभाग है उन्होंने भी इसमें सहयोग किया, तमाम अधिकारीगण और IIPA दिल्ली के समन्वय के साथ और उनके सौजन्य से कार्यक्रम का आयोजन किया गया। सन 2014 से लेकर के अभी तक आपने देखा होगा कि महिलाओं को प्राथमिकता देते हुए मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में एक के बाद एक ऐसी योजनाएं प्रारंभ की गई हैं जिनका केंद्र बिंदु महिलाएं रही हैं। और इतना ही नहीं, बहुत से क्रांतिकारी निर्णय लिए गए, जैसे कि फौज में सैनिक स्कूलों में दाखिले की अनुमति दे दी गई, जिस तरह से कि फौज में कुछ एक ऐसे पद थे जहां पे महिलाओं की नियुक्ति नहीं होती थी, वहां पे भी प्रारंभ किया गया। मोदी जी ने आते ही स्वच्छता अभियान शुरू किया तो महिलाओं के लिए शौचालयों का निर्माण किया गया। योजनाएं गिनाते रहो तो सारा दिन लग जाएगा, चाहे उज्ज्वला योजना है, चाहे प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना है, जहां पर के मकान गृहिणी के नाम किया जा सकता है। और हमें ये देख करके खुशी है कि बिहार में डबल इंजन की सरकार चलते हुए नीतीश कुमार जी के नेतृत्व में भी महिलाओं को प्राथमिकता देते हुए न केवल इन योजनाओं को धरती पर उतारा गया, बल्कि तेज गति से इन्हें इनकी लक्ष्य प्राप्ति की ओर, लक्ष्य पूर्ति की ओर भी ले जाया गया। और इसी सिलसिले में यहाँ पर स्कॉलरशिप्स की योजनाएं लाई गई। बालिकाओं के लिए 35% का आरक्षण हुआ और साथ ही साथ प्रत्येक महिला को अपनी जीविका स्वयं कमाने हेतु न केवल आर्थिक सहायता दी गई, बल्कि तकनीकी सहायता और उसके अतिरिक्त प्रशिक्षण भी दिया गया।
This isn't just a financial scheme. It's a social revolution wrapped in digital infrastructure. It's through these kind of schemes empower meets innovation. The Foundation Training Program for Assistant Architects, Government of Bihar, was organized by IIPA in association with Bihar Institute of Public Administration and Rural Development. The objective of the program was to familiarize the participants with the critical issues in governance with national perspective. During the program, the participants learnt about the power of ownership, neuro-linguistic program, stress and time management, contemporary architecture, Central Vista project, biodiversity in landscape, and so on. Around 51 participants attended the program, which was coordinated by IIPA faculty, Dr. Mamta Pathania and Dr. Amit Singh. IIPA conducted a third-party evaluation of postal operations, estate management, and India Post Payment Banks in association with the Department of Post, Government of India. The study was conducted by IIPA faculty, Dr. Roma Mitra Debnath and Dr. Kusumlat, with a view to assess the performance of various schemes under the Department of Post, Government of India. The evaluation highlighted key findings and strategic recommendations for future enhancement. The detailed review of the report was earlier uploaded on the channel, and the link can be found in the description of this video. As part of Civil Service Day celebration, the Government of India presents the Prime Minister's Award for Excellence in Public Administration. These awards were instituted to recognize, reward and motivate districts and civil servants for outstanding work in public administration. The awards highlight initiatives that have brought measurable improvement in the delivery of public services, innovative practices and citizen-centric governance. Over the years, the scope has been expanded, now including district, state organization, and central ministries for exemplary implementation of flagship schemes, innovations, and effective governance models. Winners receive a trophy, citation, and a cash award, which serves not just as a recognition but also as encouragement for others to replicate successful practices. At present, the awards are divided into a few categories, including holistic development of districts, aspirational block program, and innovation in public administration. And further, under innovation category, there are 2 awards for central level initiatives. These awards seek to recognize innovation at central level from central government organization, ministries, for various innovation in any field of administration. This year, on the occasion of 17th Civil Services Day, Secretary, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Mr. Anil Malik, received the award from the Prime Minister under Innovation category for the groundbreaking Poshan Tracker, revolutionizing real-time nutrition service delivery across India. The Poshan Tracker is a digital tool created under the mission Saksham Anganwadi and Poshan 2.0 to improve how Anganwadi centers work. Instead of using paper record, it uses a cloud-based system to track services in real time. Launched during COVID-19 pandemic, it helps monitor nutrition program, keeps beneficiaries involved, and make it easier to solve complaints. Now used across India, the Poshan Tracker helps make public health services more transparent, efficient, and responsive. Let's look at the impact of the Poshan Tracker initiative. Helped 100 million people, including pregnant women, new mothers, young children, and teenage girls. Rolled out in 36 states and union territories, covering 14 lakh Anganwadi centers in cities, villages, and tribal areas. Digital activity grew from 10 million in 2021 to 400 million in 2024, making services faster and decisions quicker. It won several major awards like the National E-Governance Gold Award, Gems of Digital India, and the Mighty Award for Excellence in Digital Public Services. That's all for this edition. We hope you found it informative and engaging. We'll be back soon with another spotlight on a key government scheme, simplified, explained, and brought to life. Thank you for watching. Until next time, stay informed, stay empowered. This is Governance at Work, powered by Indian Institute of Public Administration.